Wow, this is yummy looking. Look at that. On top is very crunchy. If you want to know how to make it, we will start to make it right now. Hello everyone. Welcome to my home cooking for today's video, guys. We will make another apple pie kasi apple season na naman ngayon. So, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng another variety of apple. So, we will use, what apple is this? Honey crisper. Okay, so here they go. Alright guys, this is 5 apples. And ang variety nito is honey apple. So, we have our 1 cup of raisin. 1 egg, pero egg white lang yung kailangan natin dito. 1 cup of sugar and honey, lemon. Kukuha lang tayo ng 1 teaspoon nito. So, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Have to crush. And of course, butter. So, ilalagay lang natin sa top later. So, let's start. So at this time, we need to set aside this one because I have already 3 cups na grated na honey crispy. So nag-grated na ako guys kasi matagal kong gagawin. So ito, this is ayan. So 1 teaspoon lang. Ayan, para hindi lang siya mangitim. Ayan. So yan yung technique dyan para hindi mangitim yung ating apple. So, nagtaka siguro kayo bakit grated kasi ang gusto ng asawa ko is yung parang ano lang siya. Kasi minsan hindi masyado naluluto yung ano pagka hiniwa mo siya ng ganyan. So, this is my first time that I used like this. So, grated ko muna. So, okay. Okay guys, we will start. So, what we're going to do is mix it all together and we will add 1, this is cornstarch para hindi siya magsabaw. Ayan. So 3, this is 3 tablespoon. Okay, mix lang lahat. Ayan. Okay, so na-mix na natin siya guys. Here is our dough. I always need that. So, kung gusto ninyo, pwede naman kayong gumawa ng sarili nyong dough. Dito kasi sa Amerika, ayan, mayroon na kasi nabibili ng ganito. Ayan. So, ilagay mo lang siya. Now, ipo-pour na natin yung ating ayan, mixture. So, ganyan lang siya guys. Kadali. Ayan, so ganyan siya. We will put butter on top. And next, we will put on top of this ayan. So I always put, you can use your fork to make that one on the side like that. Ayan. Just put a little. Ayan. See? So here's our egg white. Ibabrush lang natin siya. Sa gilid. Alright, so we will bake this in 380 degrees for 60 minutes. Right guys, ayan, 380 degrees and that is good for 60 minutes. So, babalikan natin siya. And then, bake 380 degrees. So, that will be for 60 minutes guys. Ito na yung ating finished product ng ating pie. Look at that. But we need to make cooling for this kasi mainit pa talaga siya guys. Kakagaling lang ng oven. Alright guys, after cooling, ito na ang nangyari kasi umalis ako. May ginagawa ko. Ito na oh. Inumpisa na ng asawa ko. Titikman natin kung anong result ha. Para makita ninyo yung resulta ng ating. Ayan. Ganyan yan siya pagka ayan. Ayan, ito na. Ganyan siya guys. O diba? Super delicious looking, my gosh. Ganyan. Kasi nga, ginawa natin is, in-slice natin siya. Generative natin. So, let's yummy, yummy. Wow. Ganyan siya, oh, crunchy yung kanyang cover, oh. Ganyan kasarap. Okay. So I love this then before that I doing the slice only for how many slice and then because yung yung lasa niya nanunuot talaga sa ayan pa I love that, ha? So may natutunan naman kayo. Kung may apple kayo, ganitong gawin nyo, i-grated nyo muna siya. I like it. Hindi siya nakakaumay. Okay. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. May natutunan na naman kayo sa akin.